Right, this one is going to be like medium level, so it's an upper level than the previous video about hard surface box. So I'm going to do everything because I don't have much time as well for it. So let's just, I don't know what I'm doing, but let's just see what I could do. And I'm going to use the add-ons, which is box cut and harders, because they would help me a lot. Oh, and I forgot to turn off screencast so you guys would see there. Let's probably just add another cube here. Right, and 90. Now let's duplicate that one, and let's apply everything. Cool. And let's add some natural to it. I want to see what's going on there. I know I can just use mirror so I don't have to work like this, right? But I'll forget it. Maybe that's I'm gonna use that like this one side for the harder part because it's just medium level. So yeah, I don't know. I'm sorry if I'm not talking very much as usual because you know when it comes to making these I have a time to set, so like it's very tense, you know. It's so tense. I actually forgot to cut that in part, but that's okay. Let's have some variations to it though. Yeah. Right, that looking not so bad, I guess. Not sure, but never mind. I guess it's not the right way to put two emissions on same surface like that. It would just look weird, I guess. Not sure. But probably I'm just gonna use some other materials to it, which is, I don't know, some kind of. I'm gonna use kit ops here. So. Shit. Rock? What is that? Let's see then. Where is the shit rock? Alright, that looks cool. Let's try it. You could just use, wait, how many time do I have now? A minute, okay. Ooh, okay. Let's crank that up a little bit, so. Yeah, I guess that's it. Or let's add some imperfections to my model. Okay, so I'm not gonna. That's just very glossy. And then imperfections material. Okay, thank you. Oh, let's use this one. Okay, let's go, buddy. Let's go, buddy. Let's go. You can start to see there, but it's not very visible. That's okay. I think that's okay. That's a is it okay? I'm not even sure, mate. And that's okay. And let's just copy this too as well to here. Makes our GP. Wait, which one is that? Oh, that's a shit rock, damn it, no. Sorry. I forgot. I'm panicking, you know. Please bear with me. Wait, why did I do this? Just use this instead. Okay. Oh, that's cool. I'm just gonna leave it be there probably. No. Okay, cool. Reference. Okay, keep projections. There you go. Yeah, there are some roughness there at least, so let's just right away add a point. Not there, right here, buddy, right here. I would do something for that, you know, that there's a gap, but I don't have time. Sorry. Yeah, let's just use that one, make it quick. So. Probably just like this. We'll do a good job. Let's get that HDRI studio. But make oof. Guys, please give me time. Mix shader. Oh no. Mix shader and then light path. Light path. Camera ray to FAC. So okay, cool. And then I'm gonna make no. Let's make this absolute want. Oh my god. I don't care. I don't care if it's gonna be there. You know, if you know what I mean. You could see that the origin is it's very messed up, right? But I don't care. I don't have really much time here. Yeah. Yeah, I guess there's no need for that. Ooh, that is actually looking pretty awesome though. But I want to make this color into maybe just be yellowish. That is awesome, mate. So I forgot to set the camera. Bit of, yeah, maybe just like yeah. Okay. So now I just have to probably add a bit of cube here. Where's the cube? Come on guys, come on mate. Please don't be mean to me. I know it's 10 minutes, but come on, I'm gonna make it much better soon, okay? But not this time. This time probably just give me a break. Give me a break, fam. Alright, that's it. So thank you guys for watching and see you next time.